Cryptocurrencies are legal in Norway and they're treated as assets, not legal tender. So the Financial Supervisory Authority, the FSA, and I think it's called Norges Bank, regulates the crypto dealings, especially fiat on-ramps and AML and CTF standards. So those who are seeking easy NOK deposits and full regulation compliance, FSA approved exchanges remain the fastest route, right? So by an increasing number of previously minded users in Norway, these are some of the platforms that they are also turning to, right, which are the No-KYC platforms that we are going to be covering in today's video. So let's start with the regulated platforms, globally trusted, and with the Norwegian krone currency as an on-ramp, right? So these are the top sort of platforms that you can use if you want to get started with cryptocurrencies in Norway. So it's very interesting. You can use platforms like Bybit, right, which offers over 1,000 plus crypto assets, MiCA fees only 0.01%, take a 0.06 FSA regulated. Kraken offering 250 plus coins, 0.001 on the MiCA fee. On the taker fee, 0.02%. It's EU compliant. Binance, which offers over 350 plus coins, fees are 0.5% to 3.75%, FSA regulated. Strong Norwegian krone deposit options as well. And you've got the Norwegian Block Exchange, NBX, which does facilitate local payments, which has local banking partnerships. You need and also with Bank ID, FSA regulated, is 0.7% on fees. Uphold, Capital.com, Crypto.com, Bitstamp, and Coinbase are some of the other platforms that are also operating within Norway, right? So these are ideal for users who are valuing that local support and regulatory oversight and fiat trading. But if you want to use no KYC exchanges for fast private crypto only trading, you can use platforms like K6, which offers a true no KYC onboarding with zero taker fees on spot, only 0.01 taker on the futures markets, registered FinCEN MSB in the US, which adds a layer of that credibility as well. Supports 500 plus assets. You can up to 30 BTC daily withdrawals without any KYC. Infrastructure backed by cold storage 24 support, though you cannot use fiat to get onboarded. Okay, Unix known for deep liquidity as well, fast execution, leverage, spot and futures trading up to 125x. No KYC required, only email sign up, and you can do up to 10K a day in withdrawals. And yeah, Bybit is another one, derivatives and spot trading exchange with tutorials noting that it's a non-KYC platform. Femex as well, offering fast app-based trading, NOK deposit options reported by Norwegian users, and also leveraged futures. While it does advertise no KYC, many users are eventually prompted to verify after some activity there. So MEXC supports no KYC for basic usage, up to 10 BTC withdrawals a day, offers 1,500 plus coins, right? So I think some of the best platforms you can use here are the regulated ones: Bybit, Kraken, Binance, NBX. Okay, check out the links in the description. If you want to do no KYC trading, K6, Unix, Bit, Femex, MEXC, global exchanges that are well reputable, and yeah, you know, they've been around for a while and servicing customers globally. So if you want to learn more about crypto trading, make sure you go to decentralized.news. Peace.